Like most technologies, foldable devices were expected to become cheaper with time, and many of us were hoping that the sequels to the Galaxy Fold will sell for lower prices with each new generation. However, this may never be the case, seeing the recent reports about Samsung's plan to maintain the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 around the $2,000 mark, even though they are dropping the free earbuds from the retail package. Company's premium foldable series might not become more accessible anytime soon. There are a few reasons why. Let's talk about them. Non-foldable smartphones have existed for a decade now, and me, like everyone else, was thinking that Samsung's top-end smartphones should have become more affordable 10 years after the launch of the original Galaxy S. In reality, the exact opposite has happened. This year Galaxy S20 Ultra is the biggest proof, and there is no evidence to suggest that this will change anytime soon. If we look at the older technologies like the display used by the original Galaxy S, that would probably cost very little nowadays. But that's only because there isn't any practical use of it anymore. The truth is that older technologies have been replaced by newer ones, and with that came increasingly higher prices, because there is involvement of R&D and many other things. Similar way, Samsung will continue to invest in R&D and improve this technology of the foldable Galaxies every year, meaning that the launch prices for the final product are more likely to maintain rather than decrease. And the next point is, Samsung still has no competition. That's not a good thing for we, the consumers. It goes without saying that Samsung dominates this segment, so it makes the rules. Then the apparent failure of the competition in the foldable segment further highlights that Samsung has something unique to offer, and that's a big advantage for Samsung. But when the industry will gradually jump on the foldable segment, Samsung will rethink its pricing. But until that happens, don't expect Samsung to bend down, as long as tech enthusiasts will be willing to pay premium for the latest and greatest technologies. Before moving on to the conclusion, please subscribe this channel and like this video, I appreciate that. Well, Samsung's asking price for the Z Fold 2 can be easily justified thanks to the form factor and versatility it offers. After all, it's a phone and a tablet combined, but still a $2,000 price tag is unfair. The good news for fans is the Galaxy Z Flip is an affordable alternative of its own, and the company was also rumored to be working on a Galaxy Fold Lite that would cost around $1,000. To me, this way Samsung can bring the foldable technology in the hands of more consumers, all the while maintaining its leadership in the segment. But we can still hope that Samsung will make its premium foldable devices more affordable in the future. But given the history of flagship smartphones and the current pricing strategy, sadly, this may never happen. So if you like this episode and quality presentation, please hit the like button. Please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.